Hey everybody, my name is Michael. I'm the graphics guy over here at Solar Art. You're going to see the displays. We have dimensional displays that are kind of two types of wrap disciplines. One is using your skills from being a vehicle wrap installer, and also to understanding package design. So they're like giant packages. Working packages. They have CPUs in them. They have plumbing in them. Some other components that are a hanging banner to help the brand along and promote the event. We're installing vinyls on clear glass bathroom and the conference room for a corporate identity look of an event. A really great install. All the installers had a great time. They got to experience different materials and mediums. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. Have fun with the video, and again, I'm Michael with Solar.